I trust Pride Auto Care.
We thrive on trying to do everything that's right for the customer and have the best client relationship we possibly can have here.
South Broadway is Littleton, Highlands Ranch. That's a great store. It's a good location. It's right off 470 and Broadway. It's one of our busier stores. It's an 8-bay operation with a quick lube center.
Everything's done properly with some of the most skilled technicians in the industry, above and beyond any of our competitors.
They're very friendly. They listen. And then when work needs to be done, they will come and explain it to you before they do the work.
We've been around a while, we're very honest. We have a great client base that's been coming in for a long time.
I love people that come through the door. I know about 85% of them by first name, so it's a relationship that I've built over the years.
We laugh every time we come in and exchange pleasantries, and it's a very positive and pleasant experience.
We create a bond, we create a friendship, and it's a lifelong thing to where we have customers that come here for forever.
We always stay on top of it, and taking care of the customer is the utmost of importance to us.
They can expect to have the most professional, caring service possible.
Being able to help someone with their problem on a daily basis is what satisfies me. And hearing them saying that, you know, I've saved their day or I've helped them out of a predicament they were in, that makes my day. That's what I do this for.